So here I am in Seattle after doing 3 non-stop back-to-back workshops, and I finally get an afternoon to just relax. I'm running on this beautiful park that borders a lake. And since I was coming to Seattle, I just thought I'd do a little research, and I came across the mental fitness coach for the Seattle Seahawks. And so what this guy does is he helps athletes kind of get their head straight and have the mental toughness and resilience to perform in difficult, high-pressure situations. And one thing that he said in one of the videos I watched, I've really been sticking with me, which is, what do you do when you are in a difficult situation? You kind of drop the ball and you need to get up and scramble and immediately get back and play. Now he said that novice athletes or ineffective athletes, they spend 40% of their mental chatter thinking about the past, like what happened. And they spend 40% of their time, their mental chatter, thinking about what is going to happen, primarily things that could go wrong. And only 20% of their time right here, thinking about right now. And what he does is he trains athletes to flip that and spend only 20% of their time thinking about the past, 20% thinking about the future, and 80% thinking about today. So when you are facing a tough situation, if that's in business, if that's at home, if that's at work, if that's on the sports field, look at what you are focusing on. Are you focusing 80% of your time on right now, what there is to do right now in the moment to win, get back in the game?